Hi everyone, I hope you're well. So this is an assignment to help us apply styles to a text. So they can actually ask something like this in the exam. We are going to follow these instructions, and it's very similar to how you would do an exam question like this when they say you have to change the styles. So as soon as you download it, you can just open it, or you can even just use the old school method where you say open, you go browse, and then you just go to the file and just say open. So that's also fine. This is our file. Everything is as it was. So let's follow those instructions. So we have done number 1. Create a header and enter your own name and number 12, 12, 12. Okay, so we're gonna say insert. We're gonna put in a header, and you'll see we have to have something left aligned and something right aligned. So the easiest way would just be to have the 3-column one, and then we just type in our name 12, 12, 12, and then they didn't say anything about the middle alignment. So the right alignment, they told us it should be 33, 3. So close the header and footer before you try typing on any of this. So make sure you close that, because sometimes people double click in here and then they start typing in their own text over there. So just make sure to close the header and footer. And let's go to the next one. Create a footer and enter the automated file name of the document, left aligned, and today's date right aligned. Okay, so again, you go to insert, you go to footer. We're going to do the 3 columns again. On this side, we need to enter in the automated file name. So it's under here with quick parts. You'll say field, and then you just look here for file name. You say OK. So there, the file name is already there. I'm just going to take this out. Oops. You don't have to take that out. I just don't like all those brackets over there. And on the right side, today's date. So you can just go here to date and time, and they didn't specify how they wanted, just the date and time, and we just say close header and footer. The next part, this is something that they will give you. They will say you need to change all of these styles into these specific numbers or points. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit over here. So we're going to change the title, the subtitle, the subheading, and the body text. And let's change it over here. So under styles, you can go look for title, and then we'll just say modify, and let's make it what they wanted. So the font should be sans serif. So let's make it Arial, and we make this 24, I believe 24. It should be bold, and it should be center aligned. So there we go. So that is for a title. Then we need to change the subtitle. So let's look for subtitle. We say modify, and font should be sans serif, so we make it Arial again. I prefer Arial for sans serif. And 16 points big, underlined, and it should be left aligned. Okay, so it's already left aligned, so that's fine. Then the subheading, where is our subheading? Subheading. Currently, I do not see a subheading. Let's make sure subheading, heading 1, subtitle, sub. Okay, so let's create a new style. So you can either do it over here, create a style, or you can create it over here. They will tell us if there is something like that or not. So let's make sub heading, see if that will work. And it's Arial, and they said it should be 14. So I'm just going to make it 14. You don't have to type in, you can also just choose here from the list if you press on the drop down list. And it should be bold, and with one clear line space after a heading. So one clear space. line spacing. The line spacing usually was here. There we go, line spacing 1.5, a single style based on normal. So they're just saying a single, one clear line space after a subheading, which we have over there. Okay, so that is how you would do that. And subheading body text. Let's see if they have body text over here. Body text. Okay, for body text, for the original body text, you'll just say modify. And I think you're getting to how easy this actually is. You just follow their instructions. 1.0 line spacing with one clear line after each paragraph. Okay, so none other than that, then we just put that in, line spacing single space. Okay, if we have to edit the line spacing over here, we can also say how much. Don't add space between paragraph of the same style, so you can see over here if it needs to be a paragraph line space over there. So by default it's already there, so we already have the clear line space after the paragraph or subheading, so that's good. And yeah, we just changed all of those. And insert an extra line under the title of the document and apply the title style to the title. So we're going to say emerging technologies. Title of the document and apply the title style to the title. Okay, we're just going to put in one over there. And we're just going to say title. So now you can see everything that we have changed in the style is being changed there. Below the title, add the subtitle report by and add your name. Okay, so below the title, okay, report by, and we just add our name, John Erasmus. You can see that it already knows it's a subheading, which is so cool. Apply the subtitle style to this text. So mine already did this, but you can just say, oh, should it be subtitle or subheading? Oh, subtitle. So we put in the subtitle. Where is our subtitle? There is a subtitle. Okay, so they want a subtitle there, not the subheading. Oh, we made that our subtitle. Sorry, I'm being confused now. And then after that, the subheading mobile working needs a line before the body text start. So mobile. Okay, so currently I don't want to read through all of this, even though I know where it is. I'm going to press Control F and type mobile. And there you go. So here it is over there. So Control F, and then you can just search, and then you can see where it should be. So they say the subheading mobile working needs a line before the body text starts. So put in a line. Insert a blank line after the subheading to ensure consistency with other subheadings. So this is a subheading. So that means without them telling us, we need to change this into a subheading. So we go over here to more and we just choose subheading. Where is it? It's not there. Subheading. There we go, subheading. So we make that subheading, and as far as I remember, like it should show you the last ones that you pressed over here. It should make them like little shortcuts over here. So now I have subtitle emphasis, but there's my subheading, so that just makes it so much easier. And identify all the subheadings in the document and apply the subheading style to each of them. So this is definitely one subheading. Did you know it could be a subheading? Cognitive science subheading, robotics subheading, biotechnology subheading. That would also be a subheading. Those are the subheadings that I could find. And let's see, apply the body text style to all the remaining text in the document. So this would all be body text, body text, body text. Okay, so what I would suggest with this is already selected, right? And we just put in the body text over there. So this is selected. Just take this format painter with this selected and just format paint every other text that is not part of that. This we want to start a new page, Control Enter. We have to make it look neat, and then format painter. You don't have to use the format painter, it just works really nice. Body text, doesn't seem like they want to put it here, so we will have to press this one over here. And then body text, there we go. I just prefer using the format painter because I don't have to look for the body text the whole time. So you're gonna have to repress that format painter every time you format paint something else. Format paint. It just takes the style and just applies it to the text that you are selecting. But again, it's not wrong to say body text over here. Just changing this so that everything looks nice and neat. Body text. There we go, body text. And then these were a list, so just make sure that you keep it there as a list. I think I've changed one of them at the top as well, but yeah. So save your document using the file name Emerging Technologies version 4. So I'm just going to put it here in downloads for me. So it's going to be version 4, and it should have underscores there. This is a very long video, I apologize, but I just want to make sure that everyone does understand this. So I've saved this, and then the final one is print out a copy of your document. So print this, but don't print using your actual printer. Like you see, my printer's offline luckily, but make sure to print to PDF. And then you'll print all of this, and you can just save this as your name, surname, and then version 4. Okay, and you can just save that and then upload that on your assignment. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day.